The Regional Development Manager at Prudential Life Insurance Company, Mr. Michael Hassan Otu, has advised Ghanaians to have insurance policy for themselves. He made this statement in an interview with Nation One TV during the 2023 National Insurance Fair that took place in Accra. The event, which brought all insurance companies in Ghana together to exhibit their services to their customers and prospective ones, was organized by Graphic Business and Ghana Insurance Association as part of the activities to observe GIA Insurance Awareness Month. Mr. Ansa Otu opined that the Prudential Life Insurance Company Limited has the best policy. He said,
Okay, my name is Michael Ansotu, Regional Manager, Prudential Life Insurance Company, and I'm a Prudential Life Insurance Company. We are the fourth in the life insurance industry, one of the best you can think of when it comes to the use of technology, innovative products, and we prefer a lot of solutions from the cradle to the grave. So from childbirth, we have educational policies, we have savings policies, we have policies that take care of death, disability, critical illness, and we partner Lashibi as well. So when you have a funeral, we have very good services for you where we can take care of your funeral needs. So right from birth, cradle to grave, we are there to ensure that everything is easy for you, and that's Prudential Life. We are in partnership with our parent company, who's over 175 years old. So when it comes to experience, when it comes to technology, when it comes to state-of-the-art things, we are second to none in the industry in Ghana. I think it's very laudable, but like all initiatives, there's more room for improvement. I had the opportunity to speak to the GIA managing director, and I told him next time it should be in the afternoon, for instance, because that's when you have a lot of people coming in, and preferably on a Friday, getting into the weekends, then we can have a lot more people trooping in. So much as we advertise our products, as insurance people, we are here to sell. We are here to sell solutions to our people. And to sell solutions, you need to meet a lot of revelers who come to do shopping. And so later in the afternoons are always the best times to do this business, so we can have maximum impact and we can solve the nation's problems that we have. Insurance is the way to go. Without insurance, you are in trouble because it takes care of your future needs, the unexpected needs. Insurance is like a spare tire. It's better to have it and not to have an issue than not to have it. So it's always good to have insurance. I urge all of them to pass through the fair and try and pick a policy, and most definitely pick it from Prudential Life, because when you are with us, you are sure that when claims are due, we'll pay and we'll pay on time.
Addressing the issue Ghanaians have on the usage of insurance, the agent supervisor, Mr. Isaac Mensah, in his submission said,
Right, so currently the issue of people not getting the understanding of insurance in Ghana here sometimes get to do with claim payments, get to do with deduction of premiums. So Prudential has come in a way that we can also solicit funds through, they can pay through their Momo, and also they can also have opportunity to also, access claims anywhere they find themselves. Because now people will find it difficult if, for instance, I find myself in a remote area or outside the country, how will I be able to access claims? So we made it so easy, anywhere you find yourself, you're able to access claims for yourself. Now, when it comes to the premiums too, you have the options to pay through the Momo and also even come to the office and pay it by yourself. Now, insurance is about you paying your premiums and you get a claim. So if you don't pay the premiums regularly, the claim cannot be paid to you. That is where people find it difficult to understand when it comes to insurance. You put in something small, at the end of the day, when eventuality happens, there's something you can take home so that you won't be stressing yourself when it comes to claim issues. You do your part, the insurance also do their part. At the end of the day, we are all good to go.
Mr. Sakari Hussein, the event coordinator for the insurance fair, in his address said that insurance has become part of lives, that people should embrace it. This, according to him, will save them in case of unforeseen circumstances.
We need to prepare for uncertainties, and quite apart from that, the rationale behind this project is to bring all the insurance businesses to create awareness and educate the public about insurance in Ghana. Second edition, last year we had it at Alisa Hotels, and then this year we are having it at Aglamo, the food court. Looking at expanding it to other regions, it's going to be bigger to even other regions like Kumasi, Takoradi, or Tamale, because the insurance is important and we all need to have insurance.
My name is Kofi Awachi from Enterprise Life Insurance. We are here this morning in the GIA Insurance Awareness Month to expose our company and the products we have to prospective clients and also to our existing clients, so that possibly those who do not understand their policies well will be around to explain to them and also to service them on anything that they need. Some of our products we have our family income security plan that protects the income that an individual brings home. We have our funeral policy that gives you some amount of money for the burial of a deceased loved one. We have the education policy for our kids, and we have investment policies for ourselves also. So all in all, when you come to Enterprise, we give you a comprehensive cover which will make you happy and ensure that you are financially independent.
If this program continues, how do you think it's going to help the nation develop?
Okay, so I think, in summary, I will say come to the Enterprise stand. We have the best of all products and the best of all services. We await you and we promise to serve you better. We always say Enterprise, your advantage. Thank you.
I also think that genuinely they don't understand the value of this and why they should do insurance in the first place. To be honest, sometimes even disposable income is a problem. I mean, if I don't have enough to buy food and for shelter and for clothing, I'm not thinking insurance. But again, that is when you must actually think insurance, because that's when you know that when something happens, when someone dies, when your car has an accident, you will struggle to find the lump sum money. So you pay small.
My name is Jennifer Mate. I am a financial consultant with Prudential Life Insurance, and I also have some of our policies. So first, I would like to talk about the Prudential Life policy. So it's the policy that is good for everyone. Once you are alive, you need to get a Prudential Life policy. Now, you can ask what are the benefits. So the benefits are one, it caters for any critical illness. So in case of any critical illness, Prudential is giving a minimum of 100,000 cedis. Once you're on the policy for 6 months, 6 months is the waiting period. So once you bypass the 6 month waiting period, you qualify for any benefits. Aside critical illness, it also caters for total permanent disability. So in case you are permanently disabled, Prudential is giving you a minimum of 100,000 cedis. Maximum is infinity. So it depends on how much you want Prudential to give you. So if you want Prudential to give you $1 million cedis, then your sum assured will be $1 million cedis. Therefore, if anything happens thereafter, you are giving that $1 million cedis. It also caters for death. In case you are not around, what happens to your loved ones, especially your children? That money or that sum assured alone can cater for their education till another source of income comes along. So I will engage each and every one to sign on to the Prudent Life policy, and every year you go for free annual checks. How how many times do we go for annual checkup? It's very, very rare for people to go for annual checkup. So sign on to Prudential Life policy to get the benefits of annual yearly checkup in any hospital of your choice. Also, we have the education policy for your children. As your children are going to school, you need to have a long-term plan for them, for their education aspects. We see a lot of children on the streets, and then you ask them, what are they doing? Some of them are walking, some of them are selling pure water. You ask them and they'll tell you that their parents are no more, and their family members have asked them to sell pure water before they can get money to pay their fees. But if you have an education policy for your child and you are no more, Prudential is going to waive your premium for you. Waiver of premium means once you, the parent, you are no more, Prudential comes in to give your children some amount of money that can keep them through school till the policy matures. And after the policy matures, they still get the extra benefits that are to it. So for me, insurance is a very, very good thing for everyone. Once you are alive, this ends.
Naomi Machuba, one of the customers who came to fair, said that they were happy for the opportunity. She advised Ghanaians.
My name is Naomi Mochifa, and I think insurance is good because it's like a buffer for you when in case of emergency, accidents, and yes, stuff like that happens. You have a buffer or an emergency fund to rely on. So that's why I decided to insure, to go ahead to do insurance. Car, my parents, myself, yeah, and I think hospital bills or something. I want people to consider it. It's a very good thing to have some sort of emergency fund when you can rely on when there's a case of accident or something. Recently, I was involved in an accident, and luckily I had insurance, so the insurance was able to cover the accident I was involved in. Yeah, so it's a good thing.
It's magical. It's magical. It's magical.
Thank you for watching Nation One TV. Kindly subscribe for more news updates.